Public service announcement by Mr. Breeze. You might not think your dryer needs maintenance, but it does. You might not think your dryer has a lot of dust in it, but it does. As you can see, we're in the midst of a dryer service, and as you can look in the dryer cabinet, we are filled with lint and debris, which is causing a lot of major problems with your appliances and is making them unsafe to operate. And this is just some of the lint and debris we have pulled out of this dryer, which could have possibly caused on fire. Give us a call, 703-9379. That's 703-9379 at Mr. Breeze. Let us save your home from a house fire today. Alright people, now the job done by us, Mr. Breeze at Breeze Air Conditioning and Major Appliances. He just serviced a Frigidaire stackable washer and dryer. The dryer was gummed up with a lot of lint and debris, which was causing a lot of problems. I got it back to proper operation and running nice and hot, like it should be. Give us a call at 703-9379. That's 703-9379 at Mr. Breeze.